So this should be a very nice pushback, by the way, because it's homemade by Jar Design, and it has a very interesting animation, by the way. We have someone telling us 330 disappoint. Thank you, Mega. Thank you, my dearest. Glad to disappoint you today. Man, it's been a while I wanted to fly this, and I need to make sure I have my, how can I say, my settings, my sound settings right, and I think at the moment they're not. Do I want the terrain? I think maybe. Ooh.
Ground equipment and services clear.
Looks like they are. Yeah, almost. Okay. Pushback skills. Oh, look. Oh, we had a little lag probably with Frick's position. And the tail goes here. Boom, baby. Yes. Now we'll see if we need to start the... Shall we start the engines now? Yeah, start engine 1. Ignition. Engine 2.
Starting engine 2.
Oh man, he has a cold again. And here, for your enjoyment, the beautiful sound. What the fuck now? Oh wow. Very loud. Wow. See outside? Nice. Flight plan again. Yes. Give me a minute. It's actually very simple. It's Alado and then airway Papa 762 until Kilo Alpha Tango. It's one airway really, and this is the one. Oh, actually I can retype, still doing the same. There. Okay, the flaps are set, everything is set. I don't need to do anything else here, of course, because it's an Airbus. Takeoff config. Ah, okay, now I know. No worries, Freak, no worries. Welcome. Alright, so I'm going to do the little lineup here. Sorry, Freak. I think, yeah, you will have to stay steady. Don't do anything. Stay steady. Don't worry. It's gonna be okay. Nobody's gonna get hurt. Because we just need to do a little thingy here. Don't worry. I hope I don't skim too much of your plane. Maybe I will. It's okay. No worries. Wish you was home so you could fly. Oh, cranky, me too. Oh, come on. I'm not playing what's him? What's him? We're in FS Cloud. What's him again? Hello, Carva. Oh, Professor. Good evening. So I don't know if you noticed, guys, but my plans got screwed up tonight. So not screwed up, well, cancelled. So basically, I'm streaming, and I will stream probably even tomorrow. But not on Sunday. So tell me when we are ready, and I'll probably start the takeoff.
I'm ready.
You're ready. BB, move it. Okay, so You're here, freak. Are we ready? Yes. Shall we go? Shall we go? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's see. Maybe start. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Power set.
Flex. Flex is set.
Full down. Check. Full left. Check. Full right. Check.
Good. Thank you. It's important they work. So I have no idea. It's been a while I don't fly with this. My joystick is on the left and I'm right-handed. But on Airbus, it's like this. So fuck it.
100 knots.
Oh boy. Should I have done a derated really? That was probably not a good idea. It's okay, don't worry. It's okay.
V1. Rotate.
Rotate. And we have
Positive climb. Gear
Get
up.
Head in mode, please. Ah, fuck that. All right. Oh, not too much. Lever, climb. All right.
Oh, I just figured out heading mode is right click.
Oh, there. Now it works, finally. Alright, so we need to go west. 27 something. There. Wow. Really? Seriously? Hello, freak. Okay, we'll stay inside. I think we're gonna spend the time mostly inside tonight. Man, that must be one of the loudest thingies the sounds I've ever heard. Okay, I don't want many of those actually. Oh, this one is. Yeah, remove that. I don't like it. Leave it like that. And we're already going in the next one, in the next waypoint, which is direct to Doten. Show us the cabin. Definitely, sir. Definitely. Are you ready? Are you ready for the walk? Let's go. We'll do a gentle walk, a very, how can I say, a very slow one. So you appreciate hopefully all of it. We don't have a door model, I think. Yeah, even this one, like the 320, doesn't. But we're gonna hopefully go through the that little thingy there. There is a mini portal between the cockpit and the cabin that you have to basically squeeze through. It's okay. Here we go. And I see you too as well, freak. I see you too. Okay, let's enter the portal and get into the cabin. Come on. Ooh. Okay, so this is it. Maybe this is a bit too slow, huh? Maybe. Alright. Here we go, boys. That's the pretty lovely cabin of this plane. Pretty lovely cabin. So we have first class. Actually, we only have two classes. So business. Very nice legroom here. Look, big screens in front of you. A little wing walking. Why not? Why not? And then that's the business. A pretty nice galley here. Hopefully there's a bar. I hope there's a mini bar. Come on, let me see where the fuck it is. Big door. Where's the bar? Where's the bar? Where's my drinks? Oh man, didn't I tell you to put the drinks on? Ah. Alright, so we'll get them, don't worry. Probably have to get something in the cargo bay, but it's okay. Ooh, I wonder, is there a cargo bay on this? We'll see. We'll take a look. And this is the economy, where I'm gonna stop for a second. Neomin, I can't, man. It's policy, man. It's policy. I can go to jail, you know. So no, I can't. But what can you do? All seats are empty. It's not true. You see them empty. For me, they're full of people actually. See, there's Jack here, Tony. I mean, everybody's here already. I don't know, why don't you see them? Anyway, I will set a wing one view here. Actually, that's a pretty interesting debate, whether or not to add passengers. I personally like the 350, for example, for the passengers. Probably the reason I like it. You're in first class? Oh, Tiffany, of course you are, my dearest. Of course you are. You can't be anywhere else. You shouldn't be anywhere else. So there, a very nice wing one view. Wing one view number one. You're in, oh no, oh, you have to ask silent. Actually, this is, I believe, the medicines. Okay, the medicines I had to take earlier on that the doctor gave me, were I think coming from silence cargo. So maybe, yeah, maybe that's who you wanna ask. Let me get in the dick with. Right, this is from the wing one view one, and maybe we can take a very slow. Let me see if I can get out. Can I get out? Oh, it's not easy, but we can. Yeah, if we slide down the wing, okay, it's a bit chilly here, but don't worry, we can appreciate the length of it, the size of it. Hello, flap, my dearest. Actually, I love this part of the Airbus. If there is one thing I like about the Airbus, the 320 has it as well, is this little chubby thing they have. It's lovely. It's quite pretty, I have to say. And this is the full extent of the monstrous wing of this plane. See? Perfect. Ah, beautiful. All you need now is a YOLO float cigar and you should be okay. Now, view number 7 set. Look at that. Let's never forget, put a GoPro on the wing. Oh yes, we should. Let's never forget that we're flying with the best engines. Of course, okay. They are the best. Oh, Jack. Oh, man. Hello, my dearest. Are you on board? Oh, boy. Maybe not. Maybe you won't be on board here. Oh, this is not supposed to be here. It's a nice one, but nah. Oh, nice. Yes, this is nice. Maybe we should stay on the dancey side of things, but we'll see. You're flying right outside. outside again. Oh. But don't forget, guys, Ice is a professional beta tester. And yeah, beta testers don't want the plane and don't want to say anything because they feel they don't get the... And to beta test the next product. Well, that should not be the attitude of beta testing. I think I've only been involved in one, and it wasn't probably a beta test. It was just a tryout, probably a release candidate try for the SSG 748, which I won't fly again. I will first buy it if I ever decide so, but I think I will eventually because I need a 747. I need to fly a Queen. Okay. Jack, if you're still around, if you ever decide to involve me, for example, in beta testing, that's probably you're probably the only dev I will ever say yes to. But only because of the reason... click, click, click. And... let's see. Let's go. And auto thrust off. Down, baby. Oh boy, why? I think it's probably too much. Very nice sounds, yes, I agree.
1000.
Oh boy, you're loud. Here we go, boys. Come on, fly-by-wire. Come on. So I see, so the joystick is not really steady, but fuck it. up. Alright. Here we go, boys. There's a bit of trees.
500.
Thank you.
400.
Oh, no, 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 no. Don't do this.
300 above.
Thank you. There is a bit of turbulence here. I don't know if it's turbulence of the or the jar.
Minimum.
Minimum. Minima. By the way. Here we
100.
go.
50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10. 5.
Ground spoilers. Decel. Reverse green.
Ah. He is not really good. Wow. That was a very massive...
70 knots.
Thank you. So... it was a bit on the right gear. On the left gear, sorry.
Ground spoilers.
Up.
Flaps 2. Flaps 0.
Think it was a greaser? Well, it was a bit on the left, but yeah, man, I'm not flying this for months, so it's okay. I'm not complaining. Could have been a much worse one. Thank you, Nudo. It was a bit on the left, yeah, it was a bit banking, but you know what? Wow, Carbo. Yay! Wow, they're even saying, woo. They even go...
Nice landing, sir.
Sir. Oh, he thought a bit before telling me sir. I wonder why. He waited a bit, and he waited a bit, and then he said, "Sir." Is he maybe? I don't know. Brakes are out. Oh yes, brake fan, brake fan. Sorry. Oh yeah, the auto brake. I should actually put it too low. Nice. Welcome to. Where are we again? In Colombo. Welcome to Colombo, guys. The brake fan, the brake fan. Yes, he's a fan of the brakes. Alright, so let's go. Landing now. Oh, flap, 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 flap. He's not sure about my gender, apparently. Yes. He's... Oh! 129. 129. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. 129. We like it. We keep it. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. How about this as a song to land with? Nice. Yeah, exactly, P3. I agree. So I want... I will never use the auto brakes again. Even low. So there is something to fix on this plane, huh? A couple of things. And Freak is coming, baby. Freak is coming. wow. Is this a shuttle? The shuttle is landing, baby. Nice. Great landing as well, yes. The touchdown was lovely, and I mean, touchdown zone still the best one. So we're gonna park, I think, to the left here, let's see. And I think I should have cut the speech instead of, what was the writing there? Gaian. It's a site actually, Gaian Online, GaianOnline.ck. It's probably the developer, I don't know. Alright, let's see. Let's see from this view. Maximum sounds. Okay.
100.
Let's see.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
It was a bit down, yes. I should have kept the nose a bit up, actually. And it was on the right, on the left gear. So not really nice, but
10, 20, 50,
but anyway,
100.
Speed.
it wasn't too bad.
Speed.
Let's see.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5.
Oof. Yeah, it could have been better. Could have been a lot better. Next is coming, guys. Next is coming. I don't know which runway. And this is flap. Look at what a landing flap did. Definitely didn't touch. And freak. Oh, this is so nice. Look. Yes. Oh, beautiful.
Flaps 2, flaps 0.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. The perfect YOLO bird. YOLO flock. Where is Carva? Carva, can we see your... Thank you, Uni. Wow, thank you. Wow. Well, you're very kind, Uni. You're very good. And I thank you so much for that. Although... Can I see Carva landing or not? Or maybe not.
Nice
Scared was
landing,
different.
sir.
That is still bouncy on the takeoff. Oh, you logged off. No worries, no worries. So let's see next landing. And we're gonna speed up all the... Yeah. Little slippery, isn't it?
500, 400,
There.
300 above.
Nice. We should get some sexy... Oh, maybe it's not too good. I don't know. Let's see. Next... yeah, sure. We need to watch next...
Nice landing, sir.
Flaps
Yeah.
0.
The Wow. Wow. This is what you call a landing, baby. This is what I call a landing. Oh, that's where the runway is. So still slightly offset. But yeah, you're effectively on the grass, showing up on the grass. But that was beautiful. Beautiful. Congratulations. Congratulations, Nex. Fantastic landing. We're waiting for you on the apron. Look at us. All shining pretty. Oh, look, I'm gonna... Oh, I can't. Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Open my doors. Because the APU is on. Yeah, okay. Open the doors, please. So we did a nice flight, I think. It was a nice one. I liked it. 44 FPM. Oh, man, now you're shitting me. No, you're not, because you're so good.